So I have got a project here, a Java project, which is using both JUnit 4 and JUnit 5. And I've got both of the tests running from the IDE. If I just run all tests here, then the JUnit 4 tests and the JUnit 5 tests will run. What I can't do yet, and I'm going to do in this video, is get them running from the command line. So the way that we've got JUnit 4 and JUnit 5 in here is in the pom.xml. Now, if I was just using JUnit 4, I would have the JUnit 4 dependency. What I've done is I've added JUnit 5, which is using the JUnit Jupyter API and the JUnit Jupyter engine. But I've also added the JUnit Vintage engine, which allows me to run JUnit 4 under JUnit 5. So I don't need the JUnit 4 dependency. But what I haven't got is the ability to run it from the command line properly. So if I come in here and do Maven test, it will run the tests, but it will only run the JUnit 4 tests. So it's run 6 tests, but there's actually 12 tests in there. So in order to get this running from the command line, I need to add in a plugin. So I'll add in a build and plugins, and I need to add in the surefire plugin. So I need the group ID, and that is org.apache.maven.plugins. And what we actually want is the artifact ID, which is Maven surefire plugin. There we go. So by adding the Maven surefire plugin, and I will add the version, which currently I'm using 3.0.0 that, let me just refresh that. If I run this now, Maven clean test, it should run both the JUnit 4 and the JUnit 5 tests. There we go. So all 12 tests in here have run. So that's just by adding the Maven surefire plugin into the build process. Then it's running both JUnit 4 and JUnit 5 tests.